is an arrest warrant, State versus Artist O'Neill Coulter, in the alleged offense of sexual battery with a student, 16 or 17 years of age, with no aggravated force or coercion. And you have representing you an attorney present?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Bakari Sellers from the Strom Law Firm in Columbia, South Carolina, a member of the private bar here, Your Honor.
Okay. And Mr. Sellers, do you wish to waive the reading of the rights for your client, or do you wish to have them on the record?
No, we do wish to waive those, Your Honor. He's been advised both prior to today and today as well, Your Honor.
I'm going to ask at this time that we have the state present, and we also have a victim in this case, and the victim has certain rights. They have a right to be notified and be present and be heard on all stages of proceedings. So at this time, I'll yield to the state and the victim's advocate.
Your Honor, we would request there be a maximum cash surety bond on this. Please take into consideration the severity. In addition to the fact this wasn't a one-time heat of the moment incident, there were multiple incidents over a month-long period.
And the victim's advocate.
Thank you, Your Honor. I did make contact with the victim's family. They wanted me to let you know they want justice done in this case. They stated that they don't believe this is the first time an incident like this occurred with this defendant. They don't believe that he singled just their daughter out, that this possibly happened before. We're asking also for no contact order to be issued, Your Honor. During in the beginning of this process, this investigation, the defendant did reach out to family members. So we're asking that does cease and desist and that there be no contact made between the victim or the victim's family with this defendant. We're also asking for a high cash surety bond, Your Honor, due to the nature of this crime, and also the fact that this teacher was charged with protection of the students. That's part of the job when they're there, is to make sure the students are taken care of and their well-being. And due to the nature of these charges, Your Honor, we're asking for a cash surety bond.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This time, I'll yield to Mr. Sellers.
Thank you, Your Honor. We will not harp on the allegations in this matter. That's not what we're here for today, Your Honor. Instead, we will talk about the fact that Artist Coulter is not a flight risk, Your Honor. He's actually a graduate of Orangeburg-Wilkinson High School. We were actually classmates in 2001. He graduated in 2002. He went to college here, played basketball here. He's been a basketball coach at Orangeburg-Wilkinson High School and Bethune-Bowman, and currently serves as athletics director at Bethune-Bowman High School. He's been placed on administrative leave. If Your Honor so chooses, he does not need to go back to the school for anything, and I believe that would be a fair condition of bond to help alleviate the concern of the victim and the state in regards to him having some custodial position. I do want to go back, because this seems to be a relatively popular case. I do want to go back and stress something for everyone to hear that you stated earlier, that Mr. Coulter is deemed to be innocent of all of these charges as he stands before the court today. As for him being a danger to the community, Your Honor, he has no record whatsoever. I will not harp on anything that was laid out per se by the state in this matter, other than the fact that it's absolutely ludicrous to simply sit here and throw allegations about any previous acts, because there have been none on the record. He has a very clean record at Bethune-Bowman High School. He has a clean record at Orangeburg-Wilkinson High School. He has a clean criminal record. We will fight these charges. We're asking for a speedy trial so that he can actually get back to his everyday life, Your Honor.
This time, in the light of all the circumstances and the fact that I do not deem you a flight risk, I am going to set your bond at $10,000 cash or surety, and you may post that in cash. And if you are found not guilty and appear at your court appearances, it will be refunded to you.
Oh, yeah. Artist Coulter is pleading not guilty to this matter. We're going to fight this vigorously. One of the first things we'll do today is file a speedy trial motion so we can get this matter resolved sooner rather than later. I was made aware of this case a couple of days ago and spoke with the investigator. The Orangeburg County Sheriff's Department has been extremely professional in this matter, and my hat goes off to them, especially with some of the trouble that's been going on in Orangeburg County. This department has not missed a beat, but we do believe my client is innocent, and we're going to fight these charges.
What that kind of
Artist Coulter has been from a star basketball player on a basketball team with me back in 2000 and 2001 at Orangeburg-Wilkinson, all the way through his college career, all the way through the success that he's had as a basketball coach at Bethune-Bowman High School. He's been nothing but a pillar of the community. This is an unfortunate occurrence. We'll deal with the facts of the case in the courtroom. I will say that in this matter, and I want to be very, very judicious and precise here, but allegations have been made before in by the claimant in this matter, by the victim in this matter. And so this is not the first time that allegations of this type have been hurled. And so we plan on fighting that vigorously.
Well, those allegations, are you saying towards your client
No.
or just in general?
In general.